1 Chronicles chapter 8. Benjamin was the father of Bela his firstborn, Ashbel was the secondborn, Ahira the third, Noah the fourth, and Rapha the fifth. The sons of Bela, Adar, Gera, Ahihud, Abishua, Naaman, Ahoah, Gera, Shephufan, and Huram. These were the descendants of Ehud, who were the heads of the families living in Geba and were exiled to Manahath. Naaman, Ahijah, and Gera, who carried them into exile, and who was the father of Uzzah and Ahihud. Shaharaim had sons in the country of Moab after he had divorced his wives Husham and Beerah. His sons by his wife Hodesh, Jobab, Zibiah, Mesha, Malcolm, Jeaz, Sakiah, and Mirma. These were his sons, heads of families. He also had sons by Husham, Abitub, and Elpaal. The sons of Elpaal, Eber, Misham, Shemed, who built Ono and Lod with its villages, and Beriah and Shema, who were the heads of families of the inhabitants of Aijalon and who drove out the inhabitants of Gath. Ahio, Shashak, Jeremoth, Zebediah, Arid, Eder, Michael, Ishpa, and Joah were the sons of Beriah. Zebediah, Meshullam, Hizkai, Heber, Ishmerai, Isliah, and Jobab were the sons of Elpaal. Jacob, Zichri, Zabdi, Elienai, Zilithai, Eliel, Adaiah, Bereah, and Shimrath were the sons of Shimei. Ishpan, Eber, Eliel, Abdon, Zichri, Hanan, Hananiah, Elam, Anthothijah, Ifdiah, and Penuel were the sons of Shashak. Shamsherai, Shehariah, Athaliah, Jearishiah, Elijah, and Zichri were the sons of Jeroham. All these were heads of families, the chiefs according to their genealogies, and they lived in Jerusalem. Jael, the father of Gibeon, lived in Gibeon. His wife's name was Maacah, and Abdon was his firstborn son, then Zur, Kish, Baal, Nadab, Geder, Ahio, Zecher, and Mikloth, who was the father of Shimeah. These also lived alongside their relatives in Jerusalem. Ner was the father of Kish. Kish was the father of Saul, and Saul was the father of Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, and Ashbaal. The son of Jonathan, Merabaal, and Merabaal was the father of Micah. The sons of Micah, Pithon, Melech, Teriah, and Ahaz. Ahaz was the father of Jehoiada. Jehoiada was the father of Alameth, Asmaveth, and Zimri was the father of Moza. Moza was the father of Bineah. Rapha was his son, Eleasa his son, and Azel his son. Azel had 6 sons, and these were their names: Azrikam, Bokeru, Ishmael, Sheariah, Obadiah, and Hanan. All these were the sons of Azel. The sons of his brother Eshek: Ulam was his firstborn, Jeush second, and Eliphalet third. The sons of Ulam were mighty men of valor, archers, and they had many sons and grandsons, 150 in all. All these were the descendants of Benjamin.